So this is a probability distribution question. And there are two types of probability distribution questions on the ACT, or two main types that you're going to see. You have a frequencies type where it will have something like number of visitors in one column and number of cities they visited in another column. And you'll just multiply all those numbers together, add up your answers, and divide by the number of people or whatever metric it is to get an average number of cities visited in that example. Then the other type of probability distribution question is the one we have here, where they've given you actual probabilities and values. And so if you have a probability in your question, it is almost certainly this type of probability distribution question where all that you're going to do is multiply the value and the probability and then add your answers. There's no dividing at the end by any some number. It's as simple as that. So your expected value is just the value times the probability of all the scenarios added together, and that's it. So we're just going to take our value here, which is 1, and I went ahead and figured out that there are only two scenarios, so both of them added together have to be 100%. And so to be 3 times as likely, we have to have 25% for one of the values and then 75% as the other value, which is what I have on the screen. So we just multiply those together. 1 times 0.75 is just going to be 0.75. 2 times 0.25 is just going to be 0.50. And when we add these together, we're going to get our answer, which is 125, answer F. So it is very useful to practice the different types of questions so you don't accidentally do one format over the other, and so you're ready for the different scenarios that the ACT is going to throw at you. So on the screen here, I've written down several other probability distribution questions of the varying types for you to try, and I recommend that you go ahead and just jump over and work through every one of those to prepare yourself as well as you can for these questions.